2018 Nissan Armada. The Nissan Armada seats up to 8 comfortably, boasts an endurance V8 engine with 317 horsepower, 385 pounds of torque, and 9,100 pounds of maximum towing capacity. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, navigation system, keyless entry, remote engine start, power passenger seat, traction control, tow hitch, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, power liftgate, anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, aluminum wheels, cruise control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.